So we've got a old platter style hard drive and our new Crucial 500 gig solid state. So I've taken all the screws out, taking the case off. This Antec case has two sets of bays, so you remove these screws for this area and it slides out. And you have to be careful here because there's a fan in the front of each one of the bays, so it might be better to remove the video card to get access to these cables. So you want to unplug the existing SATA. Oh, before you do anything, unplug the power, because you don't want to fry the board. So there's a red and black and a speed switch, speed selector. So let me undo this and we'll come right back. Alright, excuse the mess. I decided to take the video card out. Makes it a lot easier. Alright, so here's the piece for that fan. Be careful of this guy, because pretty sharp. On the newer ones, they've actually started coating them. And for those that have been doing this a while, all these edges used to be straight, and you cut the crud out of yourself. Alright, so we got 4 screws here, so I'm going to take those out. And then I'm going to put this Crucial inside this little 2.5 inch hard drive mounting kit. The Roswell's kind of cheap. They're, as far as the plastic being flimsy, but no big deal. So I'll mount that in here. So do the 4 screws on bottom. Line them up like that. And slide it in. Obviously you want the cable connections to be on that side. So we'll just slide it out and switch it out, and then we'll be good to go. Put the video card back in. Don't forget to power the video card. That'll scare you a couple times if you forget to plug those back in. Screw the video card back in here. Put your SATA connection and power connection back, and then plug in the power. Then prepare to install your OS, because there's nothing on it. Alright, y'all.